Hi friends, check it out. I just bought a Superman Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so good. I am gonna have a blue tongue. So it's got sprinkles, blue flavoring in it, whatever that is. And then it has cake batter cookie dough. So I don't know how that works, but 2 thumbs up for the Superman Blizzard Dairy Queen. I'm gonna go see the movie when it comes out. It's gonna be out July 11th. All right, have fun at the movies. Have fun eating ice cream. Bye-bye.